There are three common ventilation techniques used in skin hair systems: V-loop, single split knot, and injected hair. But how much do you really know about them? Today, we're breaking down the details for you. First, V-loop ventilation. This method is usually used on thin skin bases under 0.08 millimeters. The hair is looped through the base to form a V shape, so there are no knots on the base, leaving the surface smooth and natural. From the top, the hair looks like it's growing directly from the scalp. The hair direction can also be adjusted easily, making it ideal for natural hairlines. At Bono Hair, we offer several stock options such as BH3, BH4, and BH1, each available in different densities. Next is single split knot ventilation. This technique is usually used for skin bases thicker than 0.08 millimeters. The knot structure holds the hair more firmly, helping increase durability and lifespan, while still allowing flexible styling. For a more natural result, it is often combined with V-loop at the front to create a soft, graduated hairline. We offer BH1 in stock with different densities. Finally, injected hair. The hair is injected directly into the skin base, creating a knotless and extremely realistic look, just like hair growing from your own scalp. However, the more natural the appearance, the shorter the lifespan. Injected hair usually requires a slightly thicker skin base to hold the hair securely. For flat injection, we have stock BH6, while lifted injection is available with BH6T. Flat injection appears more pressed, while lifted injection creates more lift and movement. Each ventilation method has its own advantages and trade-offs, and they are sometimes combined in one system. Understanding the differences will help you choose and customize the right hair system for your clients. And don't forget to subscribe for more professional insights from Bono Hair.